to walk you through the steps to pay your examination fees using UUCMS. Paying your exam fees through UUCMS is a simple and straightforward process. First, you will need to log into UUCMS. Open your web browser and go to UUCMS official website. Click on the login button, enter your user ID, password and enter the CAPTCHA and log in. In step 2, check the course registration approved by the principal. If not done, contact immediately UUCMS nodal officer to approve the course registration. In step 3, click on exam application form and click on apply exam notification. In step 4, check the subjects which are done in the course registration. If all the subjects are displaying, click on pay fee button and do the payment. If not, contact immediately your UUCMS nodal officer and rectify the problem and then do the same procedure to pay the examination fees. Step 5. Making the payment. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your payment details and verify the information. Click on Pay button to complete the transaction. Once payment is initiated, if it fails, wait for 15 minutes and then try again. After making the payment, you will receive a confirmation message. Save the confirmation receipt or take a screenshot. And that's it guys. You have successfully paid your examination fees in your UUCMS portal. Thank you.